These animals are called domestic or farm animals. Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Cow, cow. Chicken, chicken. Goat, goat. Rabbit, rabbit. Pig, pig. Donkey, donkey. Sheep, sheep. Turkey, turkey. Duck, duck. Goose, goose. Camel, camel. Horse, horse. Thank you for watching and learning.